Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome to Pop That Box. My name is Mike, and today we're going to check out my Mandalorian collection. Because tomorrow is the Season 2 premiere of The Mandalorian. Welcome back, YouTube. So before we start, could you like, subscribe, and comment the prize you want to win, because we're having another giveaway. But before I show you the prizes for the giveaway, let's start off with these common pops that I have from the Mandalorian line, because there's 10 of them. So here's the first 5. The Mandalorian Number 326. He's wearing his OG beginner's armor. He's the main character of the Mandalorian. This armor is rusted in because it's his beginner's armor. IG-11 Number 328. So IG-11 is Mando's bodyguard. Mando hacked him in one of the episodes, and you should watch the series to find out more. The Mandalorian Number 345. This armor is the final armor for Season 1. If you haven't seen Season 1 yet, check it out before you check out Season 2. Greef Karga Number 347. Greef Karga, he is the leader of the Bounty Hunters Guild. So whenever Mando needs work, he visits Greef Karga. Heavy Infantry Mandalorian Number 348. The armor is dope. The chain gun is sick. He also has jetpack, and you need to watch the show to see this armor in action. So here's the second round of Common Pops. Generator Stormtrooper Number 350. I bought this pop because it's a trooper, and look at that flamethrower. Off-World Jawa Number 351. If you don't know what a Jawa is, scavenger, and you don't want to mess with him because he has a knife. The Armorer Number 353. The Armorer, she is, of course, the armor. She makes the armor for all the Mandalorians, and she helps Mando by teaching him the way. The Child Number 368. But I like to call him Baby Yoda. I'm sure a lot of you like to call him Baby Yoda too. Moff Gideon Number 380. Moff Gideon, he is the antagonist of Mando, and that blade is extra dope and rare. Alright, YouTube, so let's move along from the commons to the special editions. Death Watch Mandalorian 2 stripes Number 354. The reason why I bought this pop was because of the blue armor. It looks dope. The Mandalorian Flamethrower Number 355. He has a flamethrower attached to his hand. How dope is that? Cara Dune Number 356. Cara Dune, she is one of Mando's closest friends. They help each other out, and they know each other from way back. Trandoshan Thug Number 357. The Trandoshans come from Trandosha, and they are a humanoid being with scaly skin. I have 2 more special editions, and they are the prizes. So comment which prize you want to win. The Mandalorian Number 345. This pop is a special edition. So I got this pop from Pop Culture. This isn't the full chrome Mandalorian. This is the half chrome. But enjoy the pop. Somebody could win this. Baby Yoda with Control Knob Number 370. And this is a EB exclusive or a GameStop exclusive. I don't know why it has a special sticker on there. It's alright, but it's still dope pop, and somebody could win it. Hope you like the prizes, YouTube. But the show is not over yet. So here is the next pop. The Mandalorian with Baby Yoda Number 390. This pop is a TV moment, and in this moment, Mando and Baby Yoda, they are trekking through the desert because they have people hunting after them. So you should watch the show and find out who. The Mandalorian on Blurg, number 358. And Blurg, he is a creature that almost killed Mando, but somebody saved him. You should watch the show and see who saves Mando. And now here's the new 10-inch Mandalorian pop. The Mandalorian with Baby Yoda, number 380. And this pop is a 10-incher. It's chrome and it's dope. It's sick. I'm gonna keep this pop out of the box, so I'll let you enjoy this pop out of the box. So YouTube, what do you think about all those pops? I know they're all dope, but I still have more to show you. I have a box back here, so let's pop it open and see what's inside. Baby Yoda, number 369. This is another 10-inch pop, but it's huge. The ears, wow. Just wow. And I'll let you enjoy this adorable Funko Pop out of the box. Alright, YouTube. So what do you think about this Mandalorian special? If you thought it was epic, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification button so you get notified when I upload next. And for the ones who didn't think it was epic yet, I have something for you. The Mandalorian number 330. And this is a grail. Some may see it as a holy grail. I got this pop on one of my hunts to the mainland, and I got a pretty good deal on it. So enjoy the pop.
What's right is wrong instead, 'cause I was too young and I didn't understand that you were the one, and I can't wait to see you again.
Alright YouTube, well that's all the pops I have for you today. I hope you like the giveaway prizes. Thank you for watching, stay safe, and I'll see you next Thursday. Oh, but hold up. Have you seen last week's episode? You check out some NYCC 2020 pops that I found at Toys R Us. And from 2 weeks ago, you can check out some Naruto pops, NYCC, and more. Peace.